All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and this is the appointment with So What's for Dinner. Before we go to the kitchen, I just wanted to show you I was enjoying a little bit of sunset. We are in Florida, it's the month of October, and we're close to the water, so this is a moment where I like to take a couple of minutes and enjoy the sunset. It's always good to be with the nature, and I get the inspiration to write the recipes for Meals for Longevity. And talking about Meals for Longevity, let's go ahead and see what's for dinner tonight for Meals for Longevity. Tonight we have two judges, and they are from Illinois. And let's see what they request and what I've changed for them to match the Mediterranean diet pyramid. So you're in the kitchen, the testing kitchen on Meals for Longevity. And let's see what the menu is. Let's start with ciabatta bread. These two people, I'm gonna give them 2 slices, 25 grams each. I have 2 dipping sauce. They requested balsamic and oil balsamic with a touch of salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and finish to bake this, about 10 minutes. And so we'll make it back crispy, and then I'll bring it to the dining room in the basket. Let's start from the appetizer. Yep, I have cauliflower and sage soup with garlic that we need to finish. And then over here, I have a braised pork chop. It's been braising in chicken broth for about a couple of hours. Celery, carrots, onions. And I'll go ahead and put together the sauce. Before I serve it, I have a little flour over here that I can make the sauce in a second. I have some green beans. This is a side of green beans, so we're going to do a fine dining dinner tonight. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some salt. Again, all these recipes are available for meals on mealsforlongevity.com. So it's going to take about 7 to 9 minutes to blanch this, and we are going to use some extra virgin olive oil, herbs. I have thyme, onions, garlic, and salt to saute the green beans over there. So I'll do that after I blanch this. So after they're blanched and al dente, I will move them from here to here while I'm cooking this for a couple of minutes. But this will come with the recipe explanation. And then on the side, mashed potatoes, favorite of the people from the Midwest. This is a garlic mashed potatoes with parsley inside. I like to use a lot of herbs, so parsley over here, thyme over here, sage over here. And talking about sage, let's go ahead and do this together so you can help me. I'm gonna move you down, and we're going to puree the soup together. This is a quick sauce. It cooks in about 10 minutes. Very good. I think this is enough. We're going to bring this back to boil. on a low boil for about 4 or 5 minutes to thick up a little bit. We're gonna leave them covered, and then the green beans are working. I'm gonna give you some understanding of what's next. 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, just enough. I did all the numbers for you. A little garlic, little onion for flavor, a little thyme. This is going to infuse low heat for a few minutes. That's it. Looks like we're almost ready. I'll go ahead and bring the bread. And if you're interested in what I'm doing with the Meals for Longevity, with the new modern Mediterranean diet, subscribe on this channel. Go on my website, subscribe to the newsletter. These are the recipes that I'm finalizing. I have a lot of work to do to put them on the internet. I'll get there. So if you subscribe on the newsletter, then I'll send you a quick message saying they're ready. First, we're going to release about 15, 20 soups, so you can start learning what it's about. You can start testing. For example, this cauliflower and sage soup, a few other recipes. And then we're gonna go with the salad as entree, the pasta as entree, the soups as entree, the regular dinners like tonight with the pork chops and the mashed potatoes and the green beans. And you say, but this is not the Mediterranean diet. So yes, it is. This is the new modern Mediterranean diet. That means the same intakes of someone that is in Italy, in Spain, and Croatia, around the Mediterranean diet. We're going to match with international food the same intakes of the people that they live around the Mediterranean Sea, and they live a long life. As you know, the Mediterranean diet is number one. In Italy, we do like this. I think in America, you do like this. Number one, diet, healthy overall. So that means it's good. It's good for you. I'm Chef Giuseppe. I'm originally from Italy. I am a professional executive chef, and I was able to do this for you. Ciao.